Order the following integers from least to greatest. Okay, so this kind of problem really needs you to understand the number line and a little bit about place value, but we must remember that zeros here, all the negative numbers are on the left-hand side of 0 and all the positive numbers are on the right-hand side of 0. And a way you can do it, if you're very good at understanding that, you don't need to do these steps, but if you're not, it is a good idea to plot out where these numbers might be. So 18, I'm just going to put it here. So this is where 18 will be. It'll be on the positive side. Minus 52, that's way down here somewhere, so minus 52. 2 will be over here somewhere, right? 0, well that's here. That's easy. Minus 3 is going to be close to the 0. And 12 will be somewhere here. And all of a sudden, I've immediately ordered them from the least to the greatest. So minus 52 is definitely the smallest on this. So he's gone. Next would be minus 3. Next would be 0. After that is 2. And then 12. And 18. And that is the correct order from least to greatest.